Alright, so we have our first two layers complete, and we have all the yellow pieces on the up face. Next thing we want to do is we want to look around this and see if we find two corners that are set, kind of like little dots, same color. Alright, right now I have two red dots that are same color. It doesn't matter what color the dots are, but right now I have two red dots. If you don't have any dots, then you have to do this twice. Alright, I have two red dots, so I'm going to turn that over to where it's on the red side. And that one, I want to make sure that that red side that's already set, because you notice that the blue's actually set and the green's actually set. I want this one to be on the back face, so I'm going to turn it all the way around. Now this one's slightly complicated. We're going to take the right side and we're going to go right counterclockwise, front clockwise, right counterclockwise. Going to turn the back face twice, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, right clockwise, counterclockwise, back twice, right twice. And if you notice now, I have blue blue, red red, green green, orange orange. So if I turn the top to where they all line up, I have all my corners in their correct spots. Once again, if you do not have two that are in the right spots, you don't have the pair, then you're going to have to do that twice. You're going to have to do it once to get a pair, then put that pair on the correct side, and then do it again to get them all set correctly.